Hi, Year 12. I hope your extended essay writing day or preparation day has gone well. I'm just going to talk to you about what's going to happen on Monday. So when you come into school, all of you are going to head for a specific room that's detailed on this spreadsheet, which I will share with you. Quite a lot of you will either be in the G&A, the library, or D901. So you can see the tabs on the bottom. You just need to search through for yourself. So it's quite straightforward for you. You go to that room when you arrive at school, and that is where you are based all day. Your supervisor will come to you. So you can communicate by email, etc., but they will come down to you and talk to you. So please do not go wandering off trying to find your supervisor, because we can't have people wandering around the school at the moment. If you're not on these lists, it's because actually your supervisor has asked for you to work with them in their classroom during the day. It might mean that you need to move classrooms with them, but you will stay with your supervisor. However, because it would be a bit chaotic trying to find your supervisor first thing in the morning because a lot of the roomings have changed, I've allocated you a room to go to kind of register in and start period 1. So if you are one of these students, then you will head to A703. If you're one of these students, you'll go to D601. Some of you are going to D1008. Some of you are going to science labs, and actually you may well have already been in today. And this is the slight oddity, because along with the physicists, there's a little group of IBCP students that are going to go to B905 to kind of register and then just start off period 1. Once you're in school, your supervisor will email you, or they might do it over the weekend, and they will tell you which room they are in during period 1. So you need to go to this registration room first. So these students will go to B905 and then check your emails, work out where your supervisor is actually based, and then you can head off to your supervisor and be there by about 8:50, and then you'll stay with your supervisor for the rest of the day. The slight exception to that is this group of students, because the English department have year 10 lessons and those classrooms will be full. So you just need to wait until the start of period 2 and then go to your supervisor then. And again, they'll let you know which room your supervisor is based in. They will email you. The teachers' rooms are quite likely to be different to normal, so you must check your emails. And if you don't have an extended essay or a reflective project or an EPQ to be working on, then you must bring other work with you. I know you've all got tons to do, lots of assessments, you've got university applications that you can be working on. So bring work with you, and just make sure that you can work independently and use that day to kind of catch up with anything that you need to. I would recommend bringing in headphones so that you can kind of cut out the noise, and just sort of be prepared that you can't buy any food here, so you've got to bring your lunch with you. You're not going to be able to move around in these rooms. The restrictions are quite strict on the social distancing, so you kind of have to have everything self-contained so that you can just come in, sit at a desk, and then keep working for the day. I think that's pretty much all you need to know. I will email you out this spreadsheet so you can check and find out. And really the main thing to remember is, which room am I in when I arrive at school? That's the room that I head for. And then I just need to check and find out where my supervisor is if I'm in one of these rooms, if I'm one of these people here. And then my supervisor will let me know where to go to later on in period 1.